Where is an automatic air relief valve fitted? This is what from Mr. Sheikh from Nigeria. Now, this air relief valve is used for purging the air in the system, water lines. Now, water contains a lot of air. If air in the system, then it creates a serious problem. So air must come out of the system. It comes out of the system through an air purging valve, which is fitted on the pump delivery side. I will just share the screen with you if it's possible. This slide shows you. Let me run this slideshow from current slide. Now take a look at this. This is how red dots are the air, and as the pump rotates, the air also leaves the pump. This is air purging valve. Now this is how it works. Air purging valve in a float ball, right? It moves up and down, and the air escapes from here. Take a look at the next slide. This is how it is. Air turns on the water, right? And this air goes out. When the air goes out, the water comes in place here and it closes this valve. Okay. This is this. Stop share.